Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Galxe for quests and on-chain credentials, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Galxe. Press enter to navigate to the Galxe homepage. Look for the login button, typically located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see multiple options for logging in. If you have a wallet, select the appropriate wallet option. For MetaMask users, click on Connect with MetaMask. If you use a different wallet, select the corresponding option. Once you've chosen your wallet, follow the prompts to connect it. Ensure that you have your wallet extension installed and unlocked. After connecting, you will be prompted to sign a transaction. Review the transaction details carefully. Click on Sign to complete the login process. After signing, you should be redirected to your Galxe dashboard. If you do not have a wallet, consider creating one. You can create a wallet through services like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Follow the instructions on the wallet provider's website to set up your wallet. Once your wallet is ready, return to the Galxe login page. Log in again using the wallet connection method. Upon successful login, you will access your account. From there, you can participate in quests available on the platform. Explore the quests section to find tasks that interest you. Click on any quest to view its details and requirements. Follow the instructions for each quest carefully to earn rewards. Your on-chain credentials will be automatically updated as you complete quests. Regularly check your dashboard for updates on your achievements. Make sure to log out when finishing your session for security purposes. To log out, locate the profile icon, typically in the top right corner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.